Hi, 6th grade science students. This is your first science test. It is your metric summative. You should have written your name on the top of the paper as well as your period number. We're going to start with the first part of the test. It says, look at the pictures below. Identify the correct metric unit to measure that object. So in this box, you are going to write one of these words, millimeter, centimeter, or meter. First, you need to look at the object. The first object is a milk carton. Milk carton. If you were going to measure a milk carton, would you use a millimeter, centimeter, or meter? You're going to put the unit you would use to measure a milk carton in this box. Press pause to do this, press play when you're done. The next object is a ring. So you're thinking about the width of a ring, like where my mouse is pointing to. So the width of a ring, would you use millimeters, centimeters, or meters to measure that? Write your answer here. Press pause to do this. Press play when you're done. The next picture is of an eye. So if you were going to measure the actual eye, the pupil or the inside of someone's eye, what unit would you use to do that? Millimeter, centimeter, or meter? So where the arrow is pointing, what would you use to measure that? Millimeter, centimeter, or meter? Write your answer here. Press pause to do that. Press play when you're done. The next object is a door. So if you were going to measure the height of a door from top to bottom, would you use millimeter, centimeters, or meters? Write your answer here. If you were going to measure the length of a car, what would you use? Millimeters, centimeters, or meters? Write your answer in this box. Millimeters, centimeters, or meters. Press pause to do this. Press play when you're done. The last one is a pencil. So if you were going to measure a pencil that you use every day, the length of it, what would you use? Millimeters, centimeters, or meters? Write your answer in this box. Press pause to do this. Press play when you're done. We are now on the back side of the test. The back side says estimate the size of the objects. The first object you will be measuring is the length of a pencil. So you're going to think to yourself, if you had to guess the length of a pencil, what would you guess? Here are your options. You will only circle one. 8 centimeters, 19 centimeters, or 26 centimeters. 8 centimeters, 19 centimeters, or 26 centimeters. Think about what we used when we were using centimeters to practice estimating objects. The next one you need to estimate the size of is a pencil eraser. The actual eraser of a pencil, so just this part right here. What would you guess? 6 millimeters, 9 millimeters, or 5 millimeters? So a pencil eraser, what would your guess be? Circle the best answer. Press pause to do this. Press play when you're done. The next object that you will need to estimate the size of is the the height of a science table. So the table that you are sitting on right now, you're going to estimate the height of that table. What do you think? Is it 77 centimeters, 45 centimeters, or 120 centimeters? Think about what we used to practice the size of a centimeter when we were estimating, and try to guess the best estimation for the height of your science table. Press pause to do this, press play when you're done. The last object you need to estimate is the height of the classroom. So from the floor to the ceiling of the classroom you are sitting in right now, how tall do you think the height of the classroom is? Do you think it's 5 meters, 2.5 meters, or 1 meter? Choose the best answer now. Press pause to do this. Press play when you're done. You are now done with this test. If you need to replay any point or question of this test, you may rewind this video. Good luck!